So this is our another marketing class, and this is really important to know that and use this. If you got a little bit money, if you already a little bit stabilize your business, this is the next level. We know the Google My Business profile. It's right in here, and this is very important to have that. If you guys didn't watch our previous video about Google My Business profile, uh, you need to watch it because this is the next, and this is the serious and let's say working model for run your business for your marketing. So definitely customers come from this page. Like I said, watch our previous video about post pictures, reviews, services, booking system. Everything is here. And guess what? I'm also connected to AI, which is the Google is calling me now. I'm gonna show it to you. What is the phone system right here? You see, the Google start calling me. So customers through looking for through the Google, they already calling me. So Google call me and ask the questions for the customers, and of course they book it. So this is important to have. But today we're going to talk about next level, which is gonna get you on the first page of Google. Jump right there, and this is called local service ads. This is more deeper, and not all services have it, but massage therapy, of course, and actually a personal trainer, some skincare people. This is for you. This is the great stuff. So here we go. Local service ads. Let me sign in to my profile.